This video is a little different than my normal videos. Filming the whole thing on my iPhone because I didn't plan on doing a video, but these things look amazing. Hold on. Look at the marbling. I was at the Lotte Market here in Orlando and I saw these things and I had to have them. They were amazing looking. We're just gonna do a quick marinade. I'm gonna do some without any marinade and we're gonna grill them charcoal. This is an Asian pear. We're gonna use some Asian pear, a couple of other things, some ginger, soy sauce, with a quick Kalbi marinade. We're gonna throw everything in a blender. Next up, some ginger, about a 1-inch piece. You do not have to peel these if you don't want to, if you're gonna be putting them into a blender for the sauce. I'm gonna peel it. About half a medium-sized onion should do it. Peel it, chunk it in the blender. Garlic. Dad loves garlic, but it also belongs in this recipe. 5 to 7 or 8, depending on the size of your cloves, garlic cloves. The rest of the marinade is some wet and dry ingredients, mirin, some soy, sugar. First up is mirin, about a half a cup. Soy sauce, about a half a cup. Do not use low sodium. Half a cup of sugar. Last ingredient, a 1/4 cup of sesame oil. This last part is optional. A little bit of black pepper, depends on if your family likes it or not. I only put in a tiny amount. Now we are gonna throw our short ribs in a plastic bag, throw the marinade in there, stick in the fridge, 2 to 4 hours. Because of how nice the marbling is on these, I wanna see how they just taste normal. So I'm gonna put a little bit of salt on there and a little bit of pepper on there and grill 3 of them that way so I can taste it. This looks almost like Wagyu to me. I was shocked to find this in the market.
Hi, I'm here.
You're trying to get in there?
Help me. I'm over here. Pizza.
It's grilling time. Skies have opened up on me and it is pouring out here, but I should be able to pull this off. Time to try it. This is just salt and pepper, no nothing. I'm going caveman style because it's pouring out here. Oh my God, it's so tender. It's like cooked medium, maybe. That is good. One with the marinade. Different. Totally changes the flavor. I think I prefer the unmarinated. This is delicious. You just taste all the beef and everything in that. All right, that's gonna do it for this crazy video because it is like a monsoon at my house. Thank you for watching. Do the likey, subscribe stuff. Dad may cook in a monsoon, but Dad doesn't do outros. So that's it. Bye.